Yeah, come on.
Let's get loud. Let's get loud.
Turn the music up,
Let's do it. Come on, people, let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Ain't nobody gonna tell you what you gotta do. If you wanna live your life, live it all the way and don't you waste it. Every feeling, every beat can be so very sweet. You gotta taste it. Oh yeah. You gotta do
you
it.
gotta do it.
You gotta prove it. You gotta do it. You gotta prove it. Prove it.
Let's get loud. Let's get loud.
Oh yeah. Turn the music up. Let's do it. Come on, people, let's get loud. Let's get loud. Ain't nobody gonna tell you what you gotta do. I'm so party, make it hot. Dance, don't never stop, whatever reason. Every minute, every day, take them all the way. You gotta leave them. If you're gonna live a life, you gotta do it.
Do it.
Do the way, you gotta prove it. Gotta prove it. Prove what you say. You gotta do it. Do it. Do it the way. You gotta prove it. Prove it. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Let's do it. Come on, people. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Everybody gonna tell you what you gotta do. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Come on, come on. Woo, woo. It's better be before not hurting anyone, nobody loses. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let the music make you feel what you wanna be, make no excuses. Oh yeah. You gotta do it, do it, do it the way. You gotta prove it, prove what you say. You gotta do it, do it the way. You gotta prove it, prove it. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up, let's read that sound. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Ain't nobody gonna tell you what you gotta do. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Oh yeah.
Let's get loud.
Let's get loud. Turn the music up to see that sound.
Let's get loud.
Let's get loud. Everybody gonna tell you what you gotta do. Woo! Nanood ang love ko ngayon.
Yes, once again, happy birthday. Lady, help me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just alright. As we dance by the moonlight, can't you see you're my delight? Lady, I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I've been loved for your eyes.
Shout out to all my Scarlet Fox!
Hey, lady, help me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just alright as we dance by the moonlight. Can't you see you're my delight? Yeah, lady, I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I'm in love for the first time, and I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes. Yes, once again, shout out to our major sponsor, Mama Scarlet Fox. It's Ranger Rosary, yes. And once again, happy birthday!
Like a movie scene in the sweetest dream, I have pictured us together. Now to feel your lips on my fingertips, I have to say it's even better than I ever thought it could possibly be. It's perfect, it's passion, it's setting me free from all of my sadness, the tears that I've cried. I have spent all of my life waiting for tonight. Oh, you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. And the words you say take a breath away. Love me now and leave me never. Found a sacred place, lost in your embrace. I want to stay in this forever.
Hey!
I think of the days when the sun used to set on my empty heart, all alone in my head. Tossing and turning, emotions were strong. I knew I had to hold on, waiting for tonight. Oh, and you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Oh, and you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Gone are the days when the sun used to set on my empty heart, all alone in my head. Tossing and turning, emotions were strong. I knew I had to hold on,
Waiting for tonight.
oh, and you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Oh, and you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Oh, and you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Oh yeah!
Hey, 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 hey. Yes, once again, shout out to our major sponsor, Mama Scarlet Fox. It's Ranger Rosary,
Of
yes.
course, I am Mommy Scarlet Fox.
Si Ani Batong Bakal na taga Frisco, gabi-gabi na lang ay nasa disco. Mga problema niya ay kanyang malilimutan pag siya'y yumuyugyo. Sumasayaw sa umaga, dispatchadora. Sa gabi siya'y bonggang-bongga. Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco Banana ay sa disco'y Eslovera, sa disco siya ang rena. Si Ana ba tong bakal na taga Frisco?
Oh, yeah?
Laging ubus ang sweldo niya sa disco. Mga problema niya ay kanyang nalilimutan pag siya'y yumuyugyo. Sumasayaw sa umaga, dispatchadora. Sa gabi siya'y bongga-bongga. Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco Banana. Ani ba tong bakal sa disco'y Eslovera, sa disco siya ang rena.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Hey, 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 hey! Sa umaga, dispatchadora. Sa gabi siya'y bongga-bongga. Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco Banana. Ani ba tong bakal sa disco'y Eslovera, sa disco siya ang rena. Si Ani ba tong bakal na taga Frisco? Bigla na lang natanggal sa trabaho. Mga problema niya'y lahat nagsidatingan, di na yumuyugyo. Sumasayaw sa umaga, dispatchadora. Sa gabi siya'y bongga-bongga. Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco Banana. Ani ba tong bakal sa disco'y Eslovera, sa disco siya ang rena. Sa umaga, dispatchadora. Sa gabi siya'y bongga-bongga. Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco Banana. Si Ani ba tong bakal sa disco'y Eslovera, sa disco siya ang rena.
Oh, yes! Shout out po kay Ma'am Scarlett Fox and Sir Angel Rose Mayo. Yes! Shout out po sa mga kapatid ko kay Mulata Honra ng Quezon at kay Annalisa Marohomer family. Shout out Ma'am Scarlett Fox! Oh, yeah!
And once again, happy birthday, Sir Angel Rose!
Happy, happy birthday, Daddy Angel!
Hey, shout out dyan sa New Jersey!
You're just too good to be true. Come on, come on. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. But on the way that I stare,
shout out sa Marong family.
Yes! Annalisa, di, Marong.
Yes, shout out si pamilya ko dyan sa Rosario. Shout out sa mga taga Rosario.
Barangay 1,
Especially sa Barangay 1. Yes, Canadino family from